I'm starting the chimney right now for the Weber to do the 9-pound turkey on. Got the turkey over here. Sassy's going to get ready to season that thing up, stuff it, and then as soon as we're ready to go, we're going to put it in the Weber. And let me show you what we're working with. Okay, so I'm going to cover the bottom of the fire grate, half of it, with the foil. I got this fire brick here, some leftover charcoal and pecan. So I'm going to put the charcoal over on the one side, and then I'm going to use this side, with a cooking grate for the 9-pound turkey. I'm targeting about 300 degrees or so, and we'll just have to see how long it takes. I'm guessing a couple hours, 2 or 3 hours. Alright, here's the turkey. Okay, so we brined it overnight and we rinsed it, and then we let it dry out in the cool mountain air for a couple hours so it's nice and dry. We're going to be using some of this Uncle Steve's Shake Bird 1. If it flies, it fries. And we definitely have enough left over here. A little smoked paprika. Of course, before we do that, we're going to spray it down with some duck fat. And of course, we've got some butter that we're going to use to help baste it with. Maybe even stuff a little butter in there. And then I'm going to be using my Smartro, and I'm going to be doing one probe into the thick part of the breast, and I'm going to be using a second probe as a ambient temperature gauge on the Weber.
And this cat. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to get my fingers up again and lift the skin and the meat a little bit, so we can put some butter in there.
Oh, okay, so you can put butter up under the skin?
Yes.
That butter right there?
Yes. It's all ready right there. I'm going to use all this butter, so I don't really need to worry about contaminating anything.
Okay, now we're going to get some of this stuffing that was made a day ago. And what kind of stuffing is that?
It's bread stuffing.
Bread stuffing, okay. It's definitely getting stuffed.
It's got apples and golden raisins and celery and herbs and spices.
All kinds of good stuff. I'm going to try to get that. See that? Oh, that looks good. You even got some butter in there.
Okay, give me some more.
That's a small cavity. All right. That's 9-pound turkey's not going to hold a lot of stuffing, but just enough. We're going to be able to heat the rest of this up because personally I like stuffing heated outside the turkey. Deb loves stuffing from inside the turkey. So
yeah, because it gets all the turkey flavor.
Best of both worlds here.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sassy's wrapping up the tips of the wings with a little bit of foil. And I don't have any little plugs or anything to tuck them up with. I've seen ways where you can bend it out underneath itself. Yeah. We're just going to let it dangle.
But just when we put it in that pan, it's going to be like this.
Yep. Okay, what you doing now?
Duck fat? Spray it with duck fat.
All right. Nice and moist.
Oh, we've got lots of butter too. Next, I'm just going to put some paprika, which is going to give it smoked paprika, which is going to give it a nice. And then I'm going to season this with Uncle Steve's Bird 1.
Yep.
So here we go. You can be generous with this. The seasoning is excellent. All that duck fat I put on here is going to hold the seasoning on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and lift the legs.
Yeah, Uncle Steve's Shake's got some excellent color. Look at that. Yeah.
Okay. I'd say that's pretty good.
All right, put it in the pan.
Put our bird in here. Look, she fits like a glove.
Look at that.
There. See? The wings are intact.
And I've already fit that. It's going to fit in the Weber, no problem. And we'll capture all the juices, create a little bit more capture that moisture, but it's still going to get some smoke. All right, looks like we got about another 10 minutes or so. I'm going to wait till that charcoal is all chalky up on the top, and I'm going to dump it into the right side. I've already got some leftover charcoal and some pecan wood, and then we'll get set. Okay, since I'm going to use a pan, I don't really need that foil there, so I'm gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna kind of push it over a little bit, and kind of like a natural barrier, kind of a poor man's slow and sear. There we go. And I need to spread this out a little bit to be able to fit the grate on there, right? Okay, I'm going to throw some of that pecan on there. I'm going to put that rack on there. Okay, now see, most of these Weber grates have this little trap door on either side. Makes it a handy spot, so when this burns down, you can add more charcoal just by flipping up that trap door. Alright guys, so I'll show you the probes in a minute, but I just wanted to show you the left, what is it, P1 is the turkey. I got it buried into the thickest portion of the breast, I think. Right now it's pretty cold, 38 degrees. That thing was out all night. I'm going to target 170 for that breast. All right, and then the ambient temperature right now is 369. With this Smartro, you have to, it's going to do an alarm if you don't set it up way high on your target, so I put 375. It kind of spiked up, but I really want it to come down. I'm going to target about 325, maybe 350. But I'm just going to smoke it. Maybe toward the end I might crank up that temperature a little bit. Okay, there's where I got the ambient probe. It only reads the very tip, so I got it, just about next to the pan on one end, and then the actual turkey probe buried right there in the deep part of the breast. So sometimes I notice with this Weber, sometimes I should just be happy that it finds a nice steady temperature, and I'm happy with about the 360, 365 area right now. So I'm perfectly content with that, and that's about how much vent that I'm using. Bottoms are wide open, and it's holding, about 364, 363. Internally 46, slowly creeping up. That's where we're at, about a half hour, 45 minutes into the cook. Now we got that Weber nice and steady on the temperature. It saves time for doing other things like walking the dogs. Watch out for the ice. Don't fall on the ice. Okay, watch out. Okay, let's go bear hunting. Yeah, I don't think any bears are there. Okay, so that turkey internal temperature is just nearing about 50 degrees. It's 3:30 in the afternoon up here in the Eastern Sierras in November. Well, today's Thanksgiving, so by the way, happy Thanksgiving. I'm thinking that turkey's not going to get done until it's dark. It gets dark here probably around 4:30, and really cold tonight. We're supposed to get into the single digits, and I'm hoping that turkey will be done before then. I'm sure it will be. Might get a little bit of snow, I don't know. If we do, I'll throw that clip in at the end, so watch the end, see if we got snow overnight. And anyway, I'm gonna get these dogs back in the trailer so I can get my dogs a rest. Yeah, big dog. All right, meeting the neighbors. Look at that fire. Okay, so babe, what do you like to do while the turkey's cooking?
Well, drink.
What are you drinking, babe?
I'm drinking a tangerine screwdriver.
Tangerine screwdriver. So I don't know what kind of screwdriver that is. They don't sell it at Ace Hardware. Certainly not Home Depot. So what kind of screwdriver is that, babe?
It's tangerine juice and vodka.
Oh,
it's a
it's
tangerine
like
screwdriver.
it's like a health
Hello.
drink. Okay.
Heavy on the driver.
So this is what we're doing while that turkey back there
Or heavy on the screw.
is cooking. Just walk the dogs.
I mean, all kinds of
Got the
yummy-
fire going. This fire's been roaring all morning, actually, all day, and the
I cooked
rocks
the
are all
full-on
warm.
dinner.
Yeah, Sassy did an awesome job on the dinner with my help, and it's gonna come out great.
With your help? With your help.
Yeah, with my help. I help, with cooking dishes and certain technical advice. So, greenhorn barbecue beer advice. So, right, babe?
Okay. Funny.
Who's this?
A sunshine. My little snow bear.
Okay. They like the fire too. Where's Patch? I think Patch is over here.
Patch is a little wussy. He's hiding.
Where's Patch? There's Patch. In his little, they don't like the kennel.
Because it's cold as hell.
Okay. I've kind of lost track of time. All I know is the internal temperature is 84. Ambient's gone up a little bit high. And I'm going to take a peek at this. Oh, look at that. Nice and golden brown. Look at that. Coal's doing really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover this up, tent it a little bit, and then recover it. Okay, so I covered it up a little bit. Now I'm just going to cover it again. There we go. I'm not going to touch that vent because I know it's working for me. I'm expecting this to spike up a little bit because those coals got a shot of oxygen. So I know it's going to spike up. It's probably going to definitely hit up 375 again, but that's okay. I'm expecting that internal temperature to start coming up quicker. And we'll check back with you later. For now, we'll get back to that fire.
Killer.
All right, guys, we took it off. It's like, I don't know, 6:30, babe? Is it?
Yeah.
It's like 6:30. It's been on there easily 4 hours. It's got a really dark color, and I attribute that dark color to the smoking on the Weber with pecan wood. As soon as it got that bark set up, we covered it up with the foil after dousing it with some melted butter and chicken broth. And
Oh my God.
it's stuffed, and we left it in the pan, so it didn't get the all around smoke, but we think it came out really good. So check it out. Look at the macaroni and cheese.
The legs pull away and everything. That's sick.
What'd you say?
My mac and cheese is sick.
Ooh, look at the macaroni and cheese.
Dang.
So that mac and cheese, by the way, we stuck on the Traeger Scout. She cooked the macaroni and cheese, mixed up separately. Then we smoked it on the Scout for about 45 minutes. Got a little smoke to it. Pit Boss blend of pellets. Nothing special there, just a little bit of smoke. And we got some yams in the little RV oven down there cooking up.
And stuffing.
And stuffing. So we're going to get ready here in a minute. Cut open this turkey and give you guys a look at that turkey breast. And then after that, we're going to eat, and we're going to have to kick you out. So,
All right.
Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
We don't need a wing.
Here, let me just. Oh, babe. This isn't the best knife, but it has a serrated edge.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
Well, it's just like falling apart now. This looks juicy.
All right, grab a piece.
Oh no!
Oh.
It's a baby turkey. What do you want? Let me see. Put some of this goodness on here. Ouch. Oh.
All right, let's check it out.
Turn this off.
I'd say it looks pretty good.
Let me see.
Look at that. Oh, awesome. Okay, baby. Taste that thing. How's it taste?
tastes good. Flavor's there.
Okay, so that one you did some of that gravy there. And,
It tastes good.
Tastes good?
Mm-hmm. I mean,
Tastes good. I mean, what
I'm
is
not
it about
using-
it? What
I'm
do you
not-
taste? Tell me what you taste.
oh, the seasoning for one.
Okay, what do you
The
taste?
brine.
Brine.
I taste that apple. A
Taste
little
the
bit of that
apple.
apple. I taste a little pecan.
Uh-huh.
And Uncle Steve's freaking the bird.
Uh-huh. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Look
I
at
mean,
that.
so it didn't slice very well, but you know what?
Well, you know, we're camping. That looks pretty good. And, you know, this bark, you know, it may look burnt, but it's not. That's the seasoning. That's the bark setting up on that nice dry skin that we did. We brined it, we washed it, then we dried it really well. Then we seasoned it with that duck fat, the seasoning.
Look at the leg.
Look at that leg. How about that?
It's connected to the thigh. Oh, whoa.
There's the leg.
Guess it's pretty tender.
Okay, our fan went off. Sorry about that, guys. There was a little bit of background
Oh.
noise from the fan.
Oh, well, look at this, babe.
Yeah, look at that skin. That's just,
Oh,
again, that skin, it's not burnt. That's the seasoning. That's the smoke.
oh, there's
Making
a little.
that beautiful dark color. What do you think, babe?
Mmm.
Uh-huh. What does it taste like?
It's delicious. Very tender and juicy. And my stuffing is to die for.
Check out the stuffing. Pull that out. Pull it out. Grab some of that.
Look at that. Let's see. Mmm. That's good.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Hey, we're gonna eat. Obviously, you know, this ain't a picture perfect turkey, but it tastes the bomb. Okay, so we're gonna eat, guys. Thanks for watching. If you appreciate our videos, if you like what you're seeing, take a minute, subscribe. We'd love to hear from you too. So hit us up in the description and give us your comments, what you think. And over on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all those other places, hit us up and we'll see you later. So
Bye. Thanks for stopping in.
happy Thanksgiving.